In this module, we will survey the different forms of business ownership and consider the major factors that affect how a business is organised. A business is a legally recognised organisation designed to provide goods and/or services to consumers. Most businesses are privately owned and are formed to earn profit that will increase the wealth of its owners and grow the business itself. The owners and operators of a business have, as one of their main objectives, the receipt or generation of a financial return in exchange for work and acceptance of risk. There are several common forms of business ownership: sole proprietorship or sole trading, partnership, company, cooperative. A sole proprietorship is a business owned by one person, a sole trader. The owner may operate on his or her own or may employ others. There is no legal distinction between the owner and the business. The sole proprietor has unlimited personal liability for the debts incurred by the business, as well as for liabilities created by employees. The owner of the business also receives all profits, subject to taxation specific to the business. There are no registration fees to pay, but a sole trader must register with HM Revenue and Customs for tax and national insurance purposes. Sole proprietorships have the least government rules and regulations affecting them. However, raising capital for a sole proprietorship is more difficult than for other forms of businesses. A partnership is a form of business in which two or more people operate for a common goal, which is often making profit. In most forms of partnerships, each partner has personal liability for the debts incurred by the business. There are three typical classifications of partnerships: general partnerships, limited liability partnerships, and limited partnerships. The former two classifications, general partnerships and limited liability partnerships, will be discussed in detail in the forthcoming modules. The latter, namely the limited partnership, consists of general partners who are fully liable for partnership debts and limited partners who are liable only to the extent of their investment. Limited partnerships are not discussed further in this presentation on business law.